Upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones with our contenders, the RADCLO mini drone on the left and the DROCON drone on the right. So buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. Drone sound effect. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category: price. The RADCLO mini drone will set you back $62, while the DROCON drone is a bit more bougie at $109. Cash register sound effect. If you're looking to save some bucks, RADCLO is the way to go. But hey, maybe you want to splurge and show off to your friends that you can afford a drone that costs more than a fancy dinner for two. Your call. Next up, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini James Cameron in your pocket. Movie clapperboard sound effect. But here's the kicker. RADCLO offers an easy app control feature for your phone or iPad, while DROCON gives you the same but with a fancy name, Atop Go app. Sounds like a Pokemon, right? Pikachu sound effect. Both will let you capture those Instagram-worthy shots, so you can finally prove to your followers that you do more than just binge-watch Netflix. Moving on to ease of use. RADCLO says one key takeoff landing and stable altitude hold function. Sounds pretty neat, right? But wait, DROCON's like, hold my propeller, with its headless mode, one only start, land, and even an emergency stop feature. Emergency siren sound effect. So, if you're the type who needs a drone with a panic button, DROCON's got your back. Let's talk about how long these babies can stay in the air. RADCLO gives you 22 minutes with its two 800 mAh batteries. Not bad, right? Well, DROCON just had to one-up it with 24 minutes. Clock ticking sound effect. That's 2 extra minutes to impress or crash. Your choice. Now for portability and accessories. RADCLO comes with a carrying case, extra batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Swiss Army knife sound effect. But DROCON's over here flexing with its foldable design and compact suitcase, making it easier to carry around than your emotional baggage. Luggage rolling sound effect. DROCON weighs less than 249 grams, so it's practically lighter than the guilt you feel after eating an entire pizza by yourself. Extra bells and whistles time. RADCLO offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, and more. It's like a circus in the sky. Circus music playing. DROCON, not to be outdone, comes with voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, and a 360-degree flip. It's like the drone version of a Swiss gymnast. Gymnastics sound effect. So if you want to shout at your drone and have it listen, unlike your kids, DROCON's got you covered. Finally, let's talk customer support. RADCLO offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and even a money-back service. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. Phone ringing sound effect. DROCON one-ups with a 365-day warranty and promises to solve your problems within 12 hours. So if you need instant gratification, DROCON's your go-to. Summarizing the Amazon reviews for both drones, RADCLO mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, although some users found it challenging to control in windy conditions. DROCON, on the other hand, is noted for its feature-rich design, solid build, and excellent customer support, but some reviewers mentioned issues with wind resistance and image quality. All right, smart shoppers, that wraps up our epic drone showdown. Will you go for the budget-friendly RADCLO mini drone or splurge on the feature-packed DROCON drone? Let us know in the comments below. Upbeat music playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on another Buy Smart showdown. Fly safe, everyone. Drone sound effect. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.